Hello, everybody. Welcome to our first class of the amc8 real question evaluation. So I'm going to, starting every day, so we're going to explain one question in amc8 test. Okay, so I wish everybody were getting a better score by listening to my class. And as I said, this class is totally free. Okay, so this is a nonprofit class. The reason why I'm doing this is because I feel like the COVID is spreading everywhere. And oddly enough, like the COVID is something, if you want to protect it, every country needs to be isolated. But on the other hand, if you really want to fight against the COVID, every single one in this world, every human beings need to work together because it's a very strong disease. Okay, so one hand you need to kind of keep yourself isolated. The other hand, you need to work together. So that's why COVID is very hard to fight against. So for me, I think if obviously I'm not a doctor, I'm not a scientist, I cannot do anything to fight against the COVID, but I'm a math teacher. And proudly enough, I'm a very expensive math teacher. But if I am willing to share my knowledge and share my time with all of you, and I hope I am doing something for this sick world. Okay, so this is a purpose I want to share with all of you why I'm doing this project. Okay, so let's do our class. So I don't know if any of you understand what is amc8. amc8 is actually an American Math Contest 8. So because of this 8, this is supposed to be everybody who is smaller or equal to the 8th grade. Okay, so that means if you're 12 years old or something, you're smaller, then technically if you're in a kindergarten, you can do that as well. So this is the most important math contest, one of the most important math contests all over the United States or North America. And there are a lot of students all over the world is taking this math contest. Okay, so I'm going to go with one by one, and we can see that actually you don't have to be super good in math. You can still understand some of the math questions, okay? So let's do it. Okay, so let's take a look at the first question. So today we're going to take the first question. First class is talking about 2015 amc8 problem 11. So I don't know if you know that altogether amc8 has how many questions, Peng Peng?
25.
Yes, so there are altogether 25 questions, okay? So problem 11 will be something medium, okay? So it's not going to be super hard, you know? So as all the different kind of math contests, the first 1 to 10 is the easiest. So 11 to 20 is okay. So 21 to 25 is the hardest, okay? So let's take a look at the medium possible, median hardest questions look like that. What? In the small country of Mathland, or automobile license plates have 4 symbols. The first must be vowels, which is A, E, I, O, U. The second and third must be two different letters among the 21 non-vowels.
And
the fourth must be a digit 0 through 9. So if the symbols are chosen at random subject to these conditions, so what is the probability that the plate will read as AMC8? So obviously, this is a question about we are going to have a plate, right? So it is a plate, but it's not a number. So that's why we need to put each number inside, right? So the first one, we need to get A, but how many options for us to have A, E, I, O, U? A, E, I, O, U, there are 5 vowels. So the first place we can put either A, either E, either I, either O, or U. So that's why the probability of getting A is 1/5, correct?
mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So we're going to choose M out of the 21 non-vowels. So that's why M is one of the 21 options. So that's why it's 1/21. So because they're fair numbers, so M, C, D, any numbers which is not vowels is being fairly, or we can say randomly pick it up from the 21 letters. So that's why it's 1/21. So what is the third place? The third place, because M is being chosen. So how many letters has left? 20 letters has been left. So that's why the possibility of choosing the C from the 20 letters. So it's 1/20.
Yes.
So let's take a look at the last one. So last one is no more letters. We're going to pick a number from 0 to 9. So 0 to 9, how many numbers are there altogether, Pimpin?
There's 10.
There are altogether 10 numbers. So that's why it is 1/10, because 8 is one of the 10 numbers. So by times them together equals, so I'm going to do this one first. Okay, because 50 times 20 equals 1,000.
Yeah.
So 1/1000 times 1/21 equals 1/21,000. So this answer is B. Okay, so I hope you understand and I hope you enjoy. This is a very normal probability questions, and this is also one of our first questions for amc8. And I hope you enjoyed it, and love and peace. Have a nice night. Bye-bye, everybody.